saw in excellent dust collection accessories, which make your woodwork even safer and more pleasant. This easy-to-fit work-centred dust bag encloses the saw in the table saw mode, but leaves the motor exposed so it gets clean, cooling air. To reduce airborne dust, the overhead guard can be hooked up to any vacuum cleaner using the hose and adapters provided. Connecting the optional dust collector to your vacuum cleaner will increase your collection capacity to 20 litres or 5 gallons. And the built-in filter prevents almost all the dust from reaching your vacuum cleaner. The dust collector can also be used with the Triton router table, jigsaw kit, biscuit joiner, finger jointer, Triton saw, Triton router, and in fact any power tool or machine with a dust port. And it's got twin dust ports for simultaneous collection from 2 saws.